welcome back to Hardy Brothers Outdoors. Josh Hardy here. Today we're looking at this Mercedes Benz AMG GT Pro 1/16 scale remote control car. This was sent to us recently and we were asked to check it out and give it a try. So let's take a look and see what's in the box here first. Okay, I've had this out of the box before to charge the battery so that we can try it out right away. But in the box we have instructions, a charger, a 7.4 volt 500 milliamp lithium ion battery, an extra wheel, and which appears to be plastic, and a small screwdriver. So let's take a look and see what this car looks like. We've been getting some of the bigger ones lately, like the 112 and 114 scale, which are significantly larger than this. So I'm excited to see how this one's going to run. All right, so we have the remote control. It's got two AA batteries that it needs, did not come with it, and the little screwdriver that came with it is for opening and closing that little door on there. So we have that. All right, we have a flashing light, so we're good to go there. Looks like we have a right-left trim thing here on the bottom. On-off here, battery goes here. So it needs the screwdriver as well. Okay, batteries installed, flashing light here. Turn it on over here. All right, so that extra wheel is actually for the remote here. So it's actually, you can put it on either side. I wondered why they would have only sent one. All right, we got working headlights, working tail lights. Oh, reverse lights it is. All right, let's get this thing outside and try it out. Okay, so not a bad little car. I think it is actually decent for indoors or outdoors. You're obviously going to need smooth surface outdoors. Indoors, it ran fine on the carpet. So, and I think the speed is something that it's definitely doable on the inside. Unlike some of my bigger ones, it is a hard shell. I'm not sure how durable, how long it'll be durable if you're running it into stuff. Obviously, you can see from my running of it, it takes a little while to get used to it. As I mentioned, that wheel that was in there, it can be switched to either side of the controller, and then it's just pull towards you for forward and away from you for reverse. As I mentioned, you can see the lights operating there as well. So pretty cool, pretty cool little looking ride here, and realistic looking Benz. So we appreciate the guys who sent this to us to test it out. Can't wait to draw out a chalk track on the driveway and let Dylan put it to use. So pretty cool little toy, and Thanks a lot for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks, Tom.